You have to listen to me.
Special type of hell is a sneeze.
How am I? So I saw this guy.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
I wish I was one of those bitches. I can't sneeze. Who like sneeze like kittens and shit. I'm having like a weird sneeze attack. I sneeze when I drink coffee. I'm gonna try and sneeze one more time to show you what I mean. Because
In case you're new here, everyone else knows this by now, but I just recently had a surgery where they took my rib cartilage and they put it into my nose. And a special type of hell is a sneeze. Because a sneeze only affects two things, your ribs and your nose, but there's so many stitches still in my nose that I sneeze all the time, and I accidentally caught one on camera earlier.
how am I supposed to live, laugh, love in these conditions? I honestly don't know. That's what I sneeze like. I sound like an old man. And then it's because I'm like, achoo! I actually know men that sneeze like that too. I'm jealous of you. Man or woman or NB or whatever you are, I'm jealous of you if you sound cute when you sneeze. Ew.
I don't have my bags here.
Ew, right? You sneeze on me, on everything.
Yes, recording.
Right, I think you sneeze on me again. Hey, you keep sneezing on me. I swear to God. Look at my arm.
Frankly, that would make us giant assholes. I'm sorry.
Stop.
Why are you sneezing in the blanket with yours? Sick.
Okay, put a finger down, weird medical phenomenon edition. Put a finger down if you get hit with a wave of extreme nausea. Anyways, put a finger down if you get hit with a wave of extreme nausea, you feel like you're about to throw up, and then you sneeze, and then you feel fine, if not better than before. I asked my doctor about it, and I mentioned the vagus nerve because I Googled it, and he was like, yeah, it's the vagus nerve. It's like connected to everything. It's this like weird thing, no known causes, which is my favorite part because I was really afraid that I was dying. I WebMD'd it. It didn't look good. My prognosis was bad, so.
This powder makes me sneeze like crazy. Oh, snotty.
So I saw this guy. God, I can't explain it.
Oh my god.
I was trying to film a video of me retaping my tube and I couldn't stop sneezing.
Oh, me. Oh, it's like sneezing throws your back out.
Okay, so serious question for everybody that has little seasonal allergies. What are the statistics on sneezing and driving accidents? Because I just sneezed like 15 times in a row when I was on the interstate. That shit was scary, okay? It was traumatic. I'm not saying it's as bad as like drinking and driving, obviously, but like, not to be drastic, I felt more in fear when I was sneezing because my eyes were closed because I can't sneeze with my eyes open because they say you'll die. Another thing I want to look into, has anybody died from sneezing with their eyes open? Like, did they actually die? That's another thing I gotta look into. But I'm saying a sneezing and driving and a vodka and soda me and driving is a little bit different. My eyes are open with the vodka. Not saying like I don't endorse that at all. I know it's bad. Don't do it. But sneezing and driving's up there. It's up there.
Influence, because let's say Raven is running.